Your heart's probably still stuck in yesterday, but what if the next minutes could tilt the game back in your favor without a single tear-soaked voicemail? Strap in, we're counting down the 9 Machiavellian mind moves that flip heartbreak into high ground. Stay 4 because it's the silent switch that makes her question every reason she left. Roll 3-second sting. Number 9. The Vanishing Act Machiavellian Principle. Power flows to the one who can create mystery. Stop flooding her feed. Go silent for 14 days minimum. No likes, no views, no accidental typing bubbles. This instant scarcity interrupts her dopamine loop and recalibrates the power ratio to neutral. Remember, silence is your first negotiation. Think of it like a game of chess. By removing your pieces from the board, you force her to re-evaluate her next move. Don't worry. This isn't about cutting ties forever. It's about creating a strategic pause that makes her wonder what you're up to. Number 8. Controlled mirror. Tactics Machiavellian Principle. Appear what they desire. Hide what they dread. Audit her last 20 posts. Hobbies. Music, new interests. Subtly weave 2 to 3 of those themes into your visible life stories. Status, mutual friend conversations. Don't clone her, echo her. Familiarity breeds comfort. Comfort breeds contact. For example, if she's been posting about her new yoga practice, you could casually mention trying out a new studio or sharing a yoga-related meme. This isn't about being fake. It's about showing her you're still tuned into her frequency. Number 7. Social proof. Theater Machiavellian Principle. Men are judged by the company they keep. Stage photos or reels that show you thriving inside mixed gender groups, passion projects, or micro-adventures. Not bragging, broadcasting proof of demand. When others validate your value, she remembers why she once did. Think of it like a social proof badge. By showcasing your social currency, you're telling her and everyone else that you're a high-value individual with a thriving social life. Number 5. Nostalgic trigger drops. Machiavellian Principle. Control narratives, reframe history. Casually reference a micro-memory only you two share, a playlist, an inside joke, a coffee order, then disengage. That one-line anchor forces her brain to replay highlight reels with you co-starring. Emotional recall, more ethnological objections. Choose a memory that's positive and lighthearted, something that makes her smile. By tapping into her nostalgia, you're creating a sense of shared history that can be powerful in rekindling attraction. Number 4. The Benjamin Franklin Flip Machiavellian Principle. People favor those for whom they do favors. Ask her for a tiny piece of help she can. Provide effortlessly a book rec, a sauce recipe, a podcast link. Completing it reinvests her ego in your well-being. Paradox. The more she helps you, the more she convinces herself you're worth helping. This isn't about taking advantage of her kindness. It's about creating a sense of mutual support and cooperation. By asking for her help, you're showing her that you value her opinion and expertise. Number 3. Visible value uptick Machiavellian Principle. Appear always advancing. Stagnation smells like defeat. Upgrade one-pillar body, skill or status, and document progress sparingly. Maybe you're hitting Muay Thai classes or launching a side hustle. Improvement forces recalculation. Did I exit too early? Doubt in her decision equals opening in the armor. Choose an area that you're genuinely passionate about. something that makes you feel alive and motivated. By showcasing your progress, you're demonstrating to her that you're committed to self-improvement and growth. Number 2, the Trojan text Machiavellian principle. Win hearts by disguising intent. Send a message that delivers value before it demands attention. Example: hey, thought of you when I saw article about her new niche. Cheers. No ask, no agenda, just relevance plus brevity. The absence of pressure intrigues. Intrigue invites dialogue. This type of message shows her that you're still paying attention to her interests and passions, even if you're not directly asking for anything in return. Number 1, purpose, redeployment, Machiavellian principle. Above all, give them something greater to follow. Reveal a compelling next chapter: mission, charity trip, startup incubator, fitness challenge that doesn't center on her but could include her orbit. Humans chase momentum. By embodying forward motion, you become the moving train she reconsiders boarding. This isn't about manipulating her into joining your cause. It's about showing her that you have a clear direction and purpose in life. By sharing your vision with her, you're giving her a glimpse into your future and inviting her to be a part of it. Closing CTA, remember, Machiavelli never said, "Be cruel," he said, "Appear powerful." Use these 9 mind moves responsibly. Drop a comment. Which tactic will you deploy first? Smash that subscribe button for more psychological edge, and share this with anyone stuck in heartbreak purgatory.